Hi, this is a Hyundai i30, or in America Elantra. It's the 1.4 dual overhead cam 16 valve. It's a G4FA engine. What I'm going to try to do is try and show you where the purge control valve is on this car, part of the Evap system. So I'll try and show you where the location of it is if somebody's trying to struggle trying to find it and wants to change it. So basically on the right hand of the engine bay, you've got your radiator cap here. Where the end of the pipe is on the purge valve basically comes into the throttle body, basically here. So that pipe there, it's quite hard to see, but the one I've just get a torch on it there. If you follow that pipe along, then you will find your purge valve from the throttle body. So basically, if I come out of it, we go to the back there. If you see this pipe coming from your air filter box here, follow that along, and it's basically directly below that pipe. So let's see if I can get in there to show you. Basically in front of these two connectors. So let's go in, basically below that pipe. See if I can get in as close as I can. Right, let's see if I can find it. Right, you can see it now. Okay, basically it's there. That's the pipe there that comes from a charcoal canister, which is located near your fuel tank, and this here is your purge valve, and there is an electrical connector on there. Let's try and get in a bit closer if I can. Yeah, there it is. That's the best I can do to show you that. You'll see the electrical connector, the pipe going off there, and the pipe the other way, which you can't see. Basically it slots on to the end of this bracket there. You'll see that bracket there, and basically it slots onto the end. So that is the location of your purge control valve system. So I'll come back out again, give you an idea of its location. Right, okay. What I'll do, talk a little bit about it. If you're having, if it's stuck open, basically that valve, it'll cause difficulty in starting right after you've been refueling, and a few seconds the engine may run rough. So that's one of the symptoms of a purge valve sticking. Basically the valve, the purge valve basically precisely controls the amount of fuel vapour that is purged from the charcoal canister, and this is part of the Evap system, which collects and temporarily stores fuel vapours in the charcoal canister, and then when the engine is running, the fuel vapour is purged, and the vapours are purged from that canister and burnt in the engine, like I've just shown you that pipe in the throttle body. So if you get a code which is P0441, basically that's the part of the Evap system, the purge control valve, where I've showed you the location there of that valve. That's where you'll find that valve, and that could help you or anybody that has got an issue with that. It basically, the evaporation emission control system basically keeps the fumes in the fuel tank from reaching the atmosphere. That's basically what the system does. So it's a closed loop system is what they call it. So it doesn't vent any fuel vapours into the atmosphere. They'll get burnt. So that's the location of the purge control valve in a Hyundai i30, and from this engine you'll see the location of it. Any questions, please ask. Hope it's helpful to anyone trying to locate a purge valve and understanding what that particular component does in your car. Thank you very much.